We have much to talk about with the market action. We are bringing in pro trader Jared Levy, the chief market strategist at Peak American Financial. What's critical to watch in the market today?
Yeah, so, and great to see you, by the way, Angie. One of the things that we're looking at right here, and where I think you really need to be focused in on is risk really on or is risk really off? And when people say that, what I mean is, are people going to continue to flock into equities? Do they still find value in stocks? Obviously the bond market's its own entity, but let's stay focused here on stocks for just a second. I would say, based on recent events, based on market action, that risk is still on. Are we seeing cracks in the foundation of, the labor market, some housing issues, evictions are rising. But again, right now at this moment, especially as rates begin to sort of turn down, and obviously we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking, we are right now staying long select names. I'm looking really close at manufacturing data. I'm looking at consumer data. I'm looking for checkpoints to make sure that this risk on mentality will continue to stay that way. And again, for me, it's continued unemployment or employment numbers, continued, hopefully, disinflation, and obviously strength, but not too much strength in industrial production, consumer manufacturing, things of that nature.
Amazon Prime Day sales are on. Would that be a stock that you would choose?
I think this will be not only a record Prime Day, but I think it's going to be bigger than expectations. And the reason is there has been a tremendous clampdown on remote work and a tremendous clampdown on productivity as it pertains to employees. What does that mean? It means they got less time to run around and do their leisure shopping. They're sitting at home, they're ordering stuff. Okay, data shows this. And I think this Prime Day is going to reflect a big boost there. Remember, that Prime offering as a whole also, it's a good value. So I think, believe it or not, analysts and investors are still not giving this company all that it could deliver here in the next quarter or two of the year. Now, moving into next year, it's a different story. But right now, love Amazon. Another thing to remember, the analysts love to watch analysts. Not that I listen to everything that they say, but I like to watch their behavior. The lowest viable analyst estimate target for Amazon is $205. The consensus is up above 225, and then the highest is around 250. I'm looking for a target of just 210. Okay, like I said, I think they're going to announce a blowout, unbelievable beat here for Prime Day. They don't report earnings until the 1st of August. But again, I think that's a stock that you can own. Now, here's the key. If they report, blowout Prime Day numbers, you can continue to hold the stock and hold it through earnings. I think they'll excel. If there's a hitch with Prime Day, which I don't think there will be, then you don't want to hold this stock through earnings because obviously things are going to shift and there may be some warnings there. Again, I wanted to give both sides of the point, but I love Amazon here. They've got it. Their advertising business is growing. They're really deepening their AI, both research and integration, and that's going to be a cost saver and a sales driver for them. And again, I think a lot of these still are, believe it or not, undervalued by the marketplace.
Jared, I noticed not many people are talking about Amazon shares and Prime Day. Thanks so much for bringing that pick to us.
Thanks, Angie. It's great to be here.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.